All right, guys. Today's video, we're going to be mating a AFX body for the Super G Plus to the brand new Viper VSPEC X, which is based on the V3 platform. So this is the newest Viper platform. Killer setup. Not a lot that has to be done, but first we're going to pull the front end off. And I'm going to remove the post. So we're going to pull these body posts off of here. This is something that was controversial when we first made the V1, because we had people were saying that that part needed to be molded. It needed to be molded without the post so that people could run it legally and not consider it a modified chassis, which to me, whatever. Like, I don't even, nowadays I'd just laugh and just say like whatever, you know, because you want to pin the rear axle, you got to drill a hole in it. That's not something that's done. Guys glue stuff in there, like do whatever you want. It's friggin' slot car, you know. But we've got those off of there because we need access to that rectangular lug, which is where the F1 body locates. The other thing with the F1 body is it is set up, at least where the A-arms are, it is set up for long wheelbase, so we will do that also. They look way better in long wheelbase, and that is pretty much all that it takes to set that guy up. That is a beauty. She's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut. So really, really good looking car. Wheelbase is perfect. The body, I mean, look at that perfect symmetrical. The rear wing is really nice. Completely opposite of, I don't even have one in here, the new AFX cars. This body, like I said, 25 years old. Earlier today, we were shooting another video and pulled a brand new Lando Norris body out, or it might have been the Oscar Piastri. Brand new car, AFX Mega G Plus. The front was tweaked on one, the rear was tweaked on another. Sam and I went to the back, we used a heat gun, we straightened it out, made it better. But like I said, this sucker, 25 years old or more, maybe a little bit less, maybe it's only like 18 years old, I don't freaking know. But still, it's perfect. So let's go track test this beast and see how she runs. Hey guys, we haven't done a wall test in a while, but the V3, no match. No match for the wall test. I mean, that thing is not anywhere near coming off of there. I actually did find a video the other day. I was looking through old videos and we had a track on its side, and I'm pretty sure John was running a car on the track on its side. But you want to see something funny too? This thing is on our wall, okay? But look how dirty it got those tires. Ugh. So if that can happen on a wall in a hallway, imagine how dirty your track can get and your tires when it's out in the garage or wherever it's at. So, but we use a Slot Guru tire cleaner. Get my controller hooked up here. Still trying to get used to this new DeFalco controller. It is quite a bit different than John's, which is what I'm really used to. But so earlier with the Mega G Plus full tuned, we ran like a 4.5. I just ran a 4.1 just right off the cuff. Pretty easy. This will easily run in the 3s. If you want to watch my finger while I'm running this thing. So really doing a lot of throttle jockeying, 3.2 second lap. Everything looks really, really good. I mean, it's ready to go. Ready to go to the customer. I mean, we could run it on the drag strip while we're out here. Well, just to see. It's a VSPEC X. There we go, staged up. Probably gonna run like 0.7. That might have been faster than a 7. Oh my gosh, why? Look at that, dude. You can't tell me that ain't because I do this crap every single day. 7012. So pretty good out of a stock car. F1 on the drag strip, 46 miles an hour, 0.701. If we were racing SCDRL 701, you're winning. You're winning rounds with that sucker. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you want something custom like this, feel free to reach out to us, support@viperscalerace.com, and we'd be happy to do it for you. If you're not into upgrading and you're not into making your slot cars faster or better, might be a time to stop watching our stuff. So otherwise, check us out. We'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.